Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working on iPhone. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to the TikTok app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Once the TikTok app opens up on the mobile screen, here in the bottom bar, tap on this plus icon. And then from the right bottom, open the upload section that will allow you the access to media files. Select the files that you want to use to swipe. If you want to select multiple files, then make sure from the bottom of the screen you enable select multiple option. Now you can select multiple option. You can see that the photos are swiping. But if photo swipe not working, don't be sad. I will tell you a trick that will solve this issue. First, let's go back to the home screen and locate App Store to open it. Now enter TikTok in the top search bar. And here is the TikTok app. Tap to open it. Make sure your app is up to date. Once the app is updated, try again. If you are still facing the issue, then reinstall the app and your problem will be solved. This is how you can fix if photo swipe is not working on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.